Hello ladies and gents, it is James here from Lockdown Lumber. Now this is the first time that I've done a proper video in this way rather than that way, and I want to ask you a question. Obviously Christmas is coming up, so when you're buying something for Christmas, do you value for money or do you prefer quality? And what parameters do you go for when looking to purchase something like that? The reason I ask that is because currently I've been making a lot of pallet wood coasters. Now obviously I've got to take into account that the wood that I use is obviously free. However, there are certain difficulties with working with such wood. For example, every time I've got to use them, I've got to take the nails out, I've got to clean them up, and that takes a long time, especially when I'm making a lot of items. So I know that if you think of value, you think of paying less, and you think, okay, well, if his wood is free, surely then I should have to pay less. However, is that necessarily the case? So take, for example, these coasters, all right? They may look pretty simple to make, however, they take a lot of time because I've got to take the wood from its basic pallet base, break it all down, take the nails out, cut them down, dimension them. And I know a lot of woodworkers are going to chime in and say, well, we have to do the same with our wood. But obviously, when you get your wood, it tends to come already pretty nice anyway. When you're looking to buy something for Christmas or around the festive time or gifted in general, what do you value most? Value for money, quality of item, or something in between? Please let me know in the comments and I look forward to joining you in the next one. Thank you very much. All the best.